Today we are making cheesy pizza and it's a very easy recipe. You just need two eggs, you need 1 cup of milk, you need 3 tablespoons of oil, 3 tablespoons oil, you need 1.5 cup of flour, half teaspoon of salt. That's it. You need to blend it all together, blend it in the blender, and you get a mixture like that. You have to bake it for at 180 degree or 300 Fahrenheit for 15 to 25 minutes, right, till it gets completely done, because the dough doesn't need to remain. Okay, on top, after it's baked, after 35 minutes, I've added some pasta sauce, pizza sauce, and I've sprinkled with the sausages, capsicum, tomatoes, all the things that you have available. You can put anything you want. I've also tossed some cheddar cheese on it. You can also put mozzarella cheese. I needed half cup of cheddar cheese shredded inside. I had to bake it for 35 minutes till the cheese melts and the pizza is absolutely ready. I hope you will enjoy this easy recipe and try it and subscribe.